fucking take a bath because we're scared of water.
Mahal na mo lang ako dito eh.
Noma bro, what the fuck? Okay, they're coming in, they're coming in.
Basta nag-clash, bigla
Teka,
mag-1K
tornado ko yan.
king
Magic
pupunta.
on them bro, pour those fucking magic.
May nag-invade.
Tornado sa bridge, sa bridge.
Devo up, devo up.
Bridge pa rin bridge pa rin tayo
Oh, ayun.
Very good, one
Nastan.
Sino ba? Si Tax? Pwede. God sila.
Nag-invade. Sige. Added.
Sige, Tax tayo.
Sige.
May stun ako?
Ayun. Nice.
Okay, magmimicture ako dyan.
Sige. Go lang. Salty, double arc, post ka salty. Hook ako, Mati, hook ako. Ayun. Hook. Wala, joke lang.
Ito.
Na-resist.
Patay.
Umikot ako
Ayun.
Ito.
Okay, guys.
Umikot ako. Madami sa likod. Punta kayo sa amin ni Makoy.
Ito dito. Ayos ko to, Mateo.
Oo. Tina-target pa rin yan. Na-freeze.
Ang bilis nilang mamatay. Like,
Eto.
kakalakad ko pa lang, tapos mamamatay na bigla.
Nahook ako.
Yun.
What the fuck? Come here at the Boomstone. Kill them out. There are people around.
Uy, na-shoutout ako, guys.
Nice.
Tax, ah. Tax. Ay, wala. Nag-back.
One second.
Ah, sige. Pwede.
Sa ano, sa...
Yun. Nastan. Ah, shit.
Okay.
Saan ba?
Just continue fighting. We're doing so well.
Dead.
No one's dying, bro. They are all dying. No one's dying.
Kakuha ko kahit sino.
Very good. Kill them out. Very good.
Ah.
Look at A7 and A1.
Ito.
A1 now.
Ito, Makoy. Free hit. Oh, bundik na one hit, oh. Kita nyo yung ano.
Whatever the fuck does that mean in Japanese? Good shit.
Kita nyo yun?
What the fuck?
Hulin mo yan, Makoy.
Kill that motherfucker. Go.
Wala na, patay na yun.
Okay, very good. Defend the bridge by
Buhay
save
pa.
your party. Don't let them come in. No ID, no entry.
Buhay pa?
Peace.
Buhay pa.
Wala, peace.
Bigyan.
Good shit.
Peace.
Okay, now we're waiting. You have 6 minutes. Again, they must prepare some build summon shenanigans. Yafin and...
May inter-server
You can
after
use the
nito.
summon if you want.
Oo.
Oo, pero parang hindi ako sasama.
Wala ka? My
Oo.
God.
Yeah, what I mean is like if you think
Pero pwede tayong mag
you have like
Nebula after World
come
Boss.
down to it, you can use
May
the
yan
one, but
after
you
ano na lang. After 10,
After World
bounce
Boss.
out, bounce out, okay?
may gagawin din ako.
You standby for summon.
Good shit,
Present
good
ako
shit,
sa
bro. Good shit, bro. You're like a fucking
inter-server.
crazy, bro. Look at A1, okay? They're coming in on A1, bro. They're coming in on A1. They think they can win this. They have fucking
Dito ulit, ah.
fuel in their hearts, but their
Guys, get to the
heartless,
edge
bro.
of the island.
Kill them
There's
out,
no
kill
point
them
in
out.
Salty, pumasok.
Yeah. You need to
Wag.
if you're ranged,
Ayan nyo silang mag-waste ng skill.
island, bro, from A7 to A6, even if you're melee.
Briefing!
Okay, only Bulwark
Baboy.
party A1. The rest, we're gonna look at A6. They're coming in, and we're gonna fight them. We're
Dito.
Develop.
Sige.
Develop na, develop.
Very good. A6.
Hook ako or wait lang.
Good shit. 8-2, we need
Wait
more
lang, ah.
numbers here. Very good.
Wait lang.
Clear them out. Continue fighting.
Na-focus ako.
Make sure you are relaxed
Dito.
and making sure your
Ah,
party
hindi
is
ako
up.
magalaw.
Look at A5
Tangin
now.
ng
They have more numbers than A5 and A4. We
Okay,
need more
sustain na lang ako
numbers
kahit
than
sino.
A5 and A4. Very good.
Sabon.
Continue fighting.
Dami
Look
sabon,
at
ah.
A4.
Lipat kayo dito. Mas madami dito.
Coming.
Continue fighting.
Coming.
Continue fighting. We need to fight. We need to fight well. Good.
Sige, target. Ito, na-stun.
Wait lang.
Dami na
So
stun.
many people on A4 now. Look at
Ito,
A4.
na-slow.
Collapse on A4.
Wait lang, pinofocus ako.
A4, A3
Sige.
side. A4,
Balik ka.
Dito. Kita ko nakita na akong
Ito.
Good shit.
Sige.
Kill them all.
Dito lang, ah.
A4
Sige.
side.
Ito lang,
Good
dito lang.
shit. Leave everything and focus
Yan nga.
on A4
Pero
side.
dito na sabon.
A4 side. Good. Clear them out. Look at Ibak. Kill that bridge. Kill that bomb. Kill that river. Now we're looking at near the Boomstone.
One na
A5
nag-freeze na ako,
side.
screen ako.
Good shit. If you're dead, come back immediately. Come back immediately. Stabilize. Okay.
Summon gate at
Be
6.
ready to summon out.
First
To counter this summon.
Okay. Doon saan.
Yeah, not yet. Maximize it.
no.
Maximize it, but
Bro,
make sure
wala
you
ka naman
Guys,
tayo.
play the page. Play A6, A7.
pero-
Go ahead,
Yeah,
A6, A7.
Dito lang, ah.
A6, A7 ta. Sa
wag lang mamatay, please.
Diyan.
Ito.
Atras.
Make sure you fucking destroy them. destroy them out.
Wag.
A5, look at A5, A6.
Lang atras.
Good. Let
Lang
them out,
atras
let
step.
them stone.
Need
Let
mo
them
secure
out
yung
with
ano
the
ko.
stone. They're fucking stoners, bro. They do that in their
Ilang, may
sleep,
pops
bro.
pa ako.
Let them out. Good. A6,
Ay, wrong.
A6,
Wrong,
look at A6.
wrong yung ano ko.
Continue
Ito.
fighting, continue fighting,
Ito, Makoy.
continue fighting. Now look at A1,
Nice, easy.
A1. They at our A1 side. Good one, Roy. Good one. Push yun. What the fuck, bro?
What the fuck, ang dami.
What the fuck? You pulled everyone and their grandmas, bro. Good shit. Now we're
Ito, Makoy.
looking at A6 still. They're flooding in on A6. Make sure you're looking at that. Very good.
Ito, free hit.
Yan.
Patay.
Ice clear. Uy.
Paglapit ko, ano na? Delete.
Dili na ba?
Paglapit ko, wala na yung target.
Naging B ah. Wait lang, target nila ako. Naging B sila.
Ilan, di ka pa.
Ito, taxi.
Ano lang, buffs na lang yung ano, contribution ko.
Ito.
Ayan, oh, buff.
Si Tax.
Oo.
Sige.
Yan, off.
Patay.
Patay.
Ito.
Yung hook nakapantay.
Ay, ito.
Wait lang.
Tornado ako sa...
Patay.
Patay din.
Ice ko to. Ay, puto, grabe, black to.
Madami ah.
I don't know, bro.
Dami.
And fight them out.
Ayan,
fight them
stun.
out. It's okay. Half life for their summon stone. Good use by Siapin. Very good. Then some gold. Use it if you're dead. Look at A6.
Dito tayo.
Look at A6 and look at the stone now. Look at
Dito
Dami
tayo.
sa
Sa akin. Patayin natin tong mga ano.
Pop ko si ano, protect ko si Kid.
Wala na, freeze na.
We're gonna guard it in 3, 2, 1. Guard them up, boys. We're
Ay, ito
fighting.
muna.
This is their last push.
Sobreviving
Someone from
with
the guardians,
TKing.
from our
Kid,
guardians.
tayo ka lang sa boot, Kid.
Capture
Na ako'y
it.
ano ni mo.
Very good. Now we're looking at
Let's
A6
go.
still. If you're dead, use the stone.
Ito Makoy. Patayin natin. Patay.
Use your guardians and remedies, boys. Good capturing by L team. Go, continue
Let's
fighting.
go, guys.
Clear them out on A6. You should get this A5. Look at A5 now. 1 minute more. Very good. Continue fighting, boys. Continue fighting. Nice. Look at A6 now. A6
Ganda
now.
ng goat ko, guys.
Now they're struggling and now they're
Dami
taking
sa-
boys with their fucking traumas, bro. You gotta call their moms and their dads.
Wala yung
You're gonna be afraid of water. You're gonna let them know that we're the fucking boss.
Okay,
Good shit.
nag-freeze.
Continue fighting.
Kill ka lang dyan, Mas.
A6 again. More of
Spam
them.
lang ako ng button sa...
Very good. Get them out. Again, maximize your range, bro. Maximize your
Step. Patay.
Get the fight to them. Leave the stone to the captain. Trust them.
Tara, patayin natin dun sa seashore.
What the fuck?
Uy,
Good job,
umabot
good
ng
job.
15K
Whoever the
yung
fuck
king,
was
guys.
that.
World
Very
record.
good. Now, let them know they are fishes, bro. Let them know they are fishes. They're playing the wrong game. Snipe them out. What the
Tornado
fuck?
sa
Snipe them
tubig.
out.
Dito.
Yun, no? Pwede pala.
Pwede.
Now, again, guys, look at the edge of
Uy,
A7 and A6.
Liberator.
Snipe them out.
Pumaparap ng ganyan. Pwede pala yan. Bobo ka ba?
Go, you
I'm
fight,
coming,
bro.
boy.
Ice clear.
Gaya, laban natin to.
Ako yung
Okay,
na-pull.
Make sure-
Laban natin to.
Why so salty?
Nahulog
That's how we
ako.
colonize, bro.
Lang.
Look good, but we're fucking them up in the fucking...
Nice.
GG's.
GG's.
Okay, I think we got this, boys. Very good. Thank you for listening. What the fuck is your mom say? I love you to your mom. Good shit. You play well. You played very well, my guys. Good luck to Inter server. Good shit, GG's.
GG's. Ano ba yun?
Chat GG, guys. Chat GG.